This video is a very short video. I think I'm gonna make this very short, but today is an all-on unboxing. This is getting up on the same time. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Well, tonight I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, and hopefully that I get it for you guys today. And thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Let me know in the comments if you think I should do a giveaway, because I think I should do a giveaway. No, I should do it to 1K. I should do a giveaway to 1K subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway to 2K subscribers. So let's get into the video. Okay, so which box am I gonna do? Eeny, meeny, miny, or mo? We're gonna do the tiniest box. Okay, let's go. Let me use this. Then this is what? This is the bracelet. I think this is the bracelet apparently. This is, hold on, wait. Jameka. Mommy. Believe. But as entrepreneurs, there's trial and error. There's really trial and error. So if you have a small wrist, you could probably wear this. But for my thick wrist people like me, you can't wear these. So if you have small wrist, then you most likely will buy this. I just have to ask you what size your wrist is. You better measure your wrist. But that was a trial and error. I do it again. I will never order again. This took so long to come for it to be acting this way. It's nothing. Please tell me nothing wrong with the necklace. Please. It was the first one here. Please no. Please no. These kind of, ooh. Okay, these kind of look better. Okay, y'all can make me mad. Oh, I like it. Okay, IQ. Okay, this will make me. Why is all this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? These look tiny. Okay. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, I lie. So these are the necklaces. This side. Oh, this side. These are the necklaces. Earrings. Should I sell these separately? Yeah, I have earrings also. These are the earrings. I should sell some. I'm starting to wonder if these are the only things that come out right. But I'm gonna do a set. Anyways, let's go on with the video. Here we have this next box. Just gonna open this up. Oh. Headbands. Oh, this, I love this. Okay, thank you. I need that. Okay. These are the beautiful headbands. These are from the stock. These are so pretty. I'm not gonna lie. These are pretty actually. I like these. I'll have to put them in. These are so pretty. I would put these in here for a customer and seal them. I should seal this right now, but I just want to seal one for an example. Yeah, I actually got this on accident. I was supposed to get the one that have the diamond and this color in it, but these come out darker than expected. But yeah, these are the next color. If this goes wrong, something's wrong. Okay, first are these go with the lashes. I got some of these were really cheap. I just needed something for the boxes. I don't even think I'd be able to do boxes, but I have these, the spoolie thingies, and that. I got more butterfly clips, so I only ordered those because yeah, I only wanted a certain amount. And lastly is the bags. Let me open it up. Why is this why going so fast? I'm so sorry, guys. But these really nice. Anyways, these are really nice. These are basically just makeup bags. This is so nice. These actually look like pencil, like what you put your pencils in, but it's very pretty or whatever. These are like makeup bags. I know the usual these. And lastly, my boxes. Guys, I'm so sorry if I'm going so fast, like if y'all didn't really see like what I'm selling. But if you want to support and actually look in depth, take the time out to look, you can follow me on my page, Jameka's Hair Accessories on Facebook and Jameka's Accessories on Instagram. I really need to change my name I'm gonna change my name on Facebook. Same name, you know, I can't open it. Like, Christmas. These are like the heart things that you put on. You could say I love you, happy Valentine's Day. I have nice hair tonight, so if you want me to put happy Valentine's Day on them, I got you. Or if I could just put my label on it, I got you. These are going to be my boxes all year round. I don't care. My bad. But this is the first. I'm probably trying to get rid of the red ones first. I'm gonna tell y'all the story behind those bracelets in a minute. But these are the boxes. The boxes like something like what I have for Christmas. This is like popcorn box. It's talking too fast. I'm so sorry. These are another one. These are cuter. I like these ones. These are another one. This is another one. There's another one. This is so cute. This is so cute. My bad. This one looks like the size. This looks smaller. Oh my god. No, it ain't small. But these are so cute. Y'all, a quick why my face is makeup because of the bracelets is because like they can't even fit around my wrist. Allowed to like people with small wrists. Like I wanted one for myself. It's not fair to me. That's a trial error. Like, please read before you get certain stuff. I mean, I read and they lied to me, but I know not to work with them anymore because that hurt my feelings. I ain't like that. They ain't even have to do me like that. They could have given me a warning and be like, oh, okay, what size is it and whatever. I should have known better. From when they was taking too long to bring it. But that's an error on my behalf. So thank you guys for watching my video, or if you did watch this video, make sure I give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we're trying to reach 600 subscribers. And yeah, if you want like a business, not entrepreneur, if you want an entrepreneur video or something like that, just comment down below. And if you make it to the end of this video, comment cookie if you made it to the end of this video, so I can know that you'll be watching the whole video, because if you don't, that hurt my feelings too. So Jameka signing out, and that's period. Bye.